Hello and welcome back to another Gunpla unboxing. This showed up a little bit earlier than I was expecting, so let's get into it. I said the first time I ordered from Gundam Planet I probably wasn't going to do it again soon because of the shipping. That was a lie. They had a couple kits I wanted, and well, I wouldn't call the shipping particularly cheap. This total order was like $230, well, like 10 was exchange, but like $65 shipping. Anyway, let's get this box open. This is gonna be a quick one. You know what, let me just get it out of the way. Just get the bill out of it so I don't accidentally dox myself, that'd be good. And let's try to get a picture for the thumbnail. Maybe. Yeah, no, that's not working. Okay, that's fine. I'm not gonna be able to fit it in the screen. I guess I'll do another, out-of-box blurred thumbnail like the last unboxing I did. Well, they do good packing because the box is pretty dented, but all the actual kit boxes are perfectly fine. Alright, and first up, high-grade Death Army, because I meant to grab this when I had the chance, and it's sold out and hasn't been in stock since in Canada, so might as well just grab this here, right? This is a really, really simple kit. I mean, of course it uses the fine build system, but like, even by those standards, this thing's pretty basic. Has some wrist hinges, that's nice. You know, I didn't realize these were separated like that. I feel like they probably just could have molded them in one piece and just had the spike tips be the... That's not a big deal. Front skirt, which isn't separated because there's physically no way they could do that. Well, I mean, maybe, but that's fine. And these are just kind of duplicate runner, well the bottom half of this one is anyway. Yeah, I currently have the Nobel Gundam and the God Gundam double God fingering. That sounds weird out of context. The Jim, and I kind of wanted to have this up there instead, so I'm gonna build this soon. This box is a little bit dented on the bottom. That's not a big deal. Are you drunk? Back up there. Anyway, next up we have the high-grade Dispensed. I was originally going to get this from Canadian Gundam, and they're in stock now, but I got tired of waiting, so I just ordered it from Gundam Planet because there was some other kits I wanted anyway, right? This is a very tall box. It's almost as tall as it is, like, wide. It's kind of crazy, actually. Also, this box art's really, really good. Got Gilliam there. OG Gilliam, too. Huh. I mean, the game OG, not... not OG Gilliam, but that's confusing. But yeah, anyway, of course, this is good. It's by Obari. I also have Sidebuster, but I didn't get the Altizen. Mostly because I don't really like the Altizen that much. It's basically Dispensed Mark II. Like, canonically, but I kind of just prefer the Dispensed. Are these unique for this? Or are they from like a specific like master grade or something? Copyright 2000, so yeah, these are old. I'm gonna say these are from the old master grade G Gundam kits, because it looks kind of like the curved blade, but it also might be from the O. It might just be the lighting, but Does that look kind of orange to you? It's not quite the blood red I was expecting. Not really a problem, but you get all the vents. This one is out of ball joint because this is the front of the main skirt. Oh, let's get a little bit crushed. Apparently, that's not good. Thankfully, I believe that's the back skirt, so it should be fine. And it's black plastic, so the nubs clean up pretty easy. It's got kind of a silk finish to the plastic, which is nice. Huh. This is like a matte finish silver, which is really weird. Like, it's metallic, I can see the swirling in the plastic, but it's got like a matte finish to it, so it doesn't actually have that much shine. That is a really weird way to do that. I'm trying to remember where those cables are, because if I have to paint those red, I'm going to be annoyed. Okay, no, those are on the feet. Out of context, it's kind of hard to tell what those are. Yeah, the only sticker it comes with is the main camera on the rifle, but I'm gonna be painting that. Where is it anyway? This is a duplicate runner. Yeah. Maybe? It's kind of hard to tell. Are those the ones that are on the side of the rifle? Yeah, because those are the other part. Yeah. These need red. It's on black plastic, because of course it is. That's fine. I'll just let's paint some white on it first. I'll probably just airbrush it, honestly. This is pretty easy to mask. Alright, let's have a look. More parts, and the rifle, and yeah, this hose. Yeah, I'm gonna have to I'll airbrush these, so it's not too bad. Finally, the red parts. You do have to paint the black on the inside of those vents, which isn't too bad. I might just use my Gundam marker on that, to be honest. Slash ripper parts. They are pre-printed. That's nice. And just another one of these black stands. Most likely gonna put this next to the Sidebuster on my shelf. I'm not really sure, honestly. Well, my Dragonar is near there, so I might put it between those two, because this kind of has a bit of a Dragonar sort of DNA to it. Now I gotta figure out how to really pack this back in. So, give me a second. That wasn't actually as bad as I thought it was. To repack, that is. Bend on the bottom of this isn't helping getting this back on, though. Come on. Come on. There we go. Right. And yeah, you know, I think I have to paint the red on this trim. And the little ones on the tips of the toes. A little bit of black. The red on the rifle. Aside from that, it's pretty much color separated, so it's not too bad. Ah, okay. They made this one thick instead of wide. You'll understand what I mean in a second. Because finally, we have new Leisner. I'm not gonna be able to get all this in yet. There we go. I bought a second R3. The Walker Gallia was so good, I figured I might as well get another mech that I like. Though, weirdly, the Walker Gallia box is like this tall, but it's master grade width. Whereas this is the same, like, high grade proportions, but it's like as tall as like a dispensed box. They were the same price, so it makes sense they're the same size, but I was expecting like a wide, thin one. The inconsistency there is a little annoying. Granted, that's mostly because of the weapons that the Gallia comes with, so they needed the bigger runners. But yeah, I'm very excited to work on this, and I'm definitely going to be painting all these figures, because I plan on having it displayed in the final shot from the OVA. If you haven't watched Leisner, go watch it before my review, because I'm going to be using the second OP and that spoils some stuff. I won't be using any of these. I may be using that. I don't really plan on using most of the stickers, but Where the hell does that one go? Like, I don't like these kind of warning label things, but I might end up using these just because that might be annoying to paint. Well, I could probably paint this, but those might be getting a sticker. Sides of the head, need to put a little bit of paint on that. Got the pilot figure and the others. The pilot figure is like, what, like it's slightly smaller, but not by that much. Like looking at the feet, it's only like 20% smaller, so you can get away with having these posed outside pretty much to scale. Ah, there's that cockpit piece. It's already a gray part. Why did they include a gray sticker? Oh, well, that makes it easier for me if I just have to paint the buttons. There's the little control panel. I might be able to get away with painting that. I mean, if I completely screw it up, I can always just put the sticker over it. So I'll make the attempt. The seats, which I'm pretty sure the seats are a different color too, so I gotta paint those. As usual, paint the cockpit, everything else is fine. Stickers for the eyes, because of course there is. These are, oh yeah, this is the cockpit. That's the blue that goes around the right striping, and there's a ton of caution stickers here. Again, I'm not using any of those because I like anime accuracy, but they're there if you want them. Chest, feet, shoulder, hips, like a bunch of stuff. Some light pale blue parts. Some dark parts, including parts of the rifle, which is actually fully color separated. Nice job. The handle's in two pieces, which is a bit of an odd choice. They totally could have molded that as one piece. Come on, guys. All the vent parts. The hands and a couple of the pieces there. The visor, which is in really good condition, thankfully. A few clear parts. I don't really realize what the hell are those for. Okay, that one's the eyes. Guess that one. Oh, that's the camera on the rifle. Okay. They'll let you just paint them if you want. I'm probably just gonna do like a metallic red on that. Now the eyes, I'm just gonna paint normally. Or no, actually I might do metallic yellow on the eyes. I'm not sure because they're underneath this, so might look a bit weird. I'll see what looks right. Bunch of inner frame parts, and yeah, there's the face. And I'm glad they separated the eyes because that would be annoying to paint otherwise. And yeah, the engineering of this isn't as good as the Gallia, but it's not bad. Oh, that's the little, right, the symbol on the, that's not there most of the time, so forgive me for not remembering that. I'm pretty sure it shows up like once. Yeah, they have all this paint. Okay, so I can do that. This is gray in the show though, isn't it? Like I don't remember it being blue like the sticker. It's just a darker gray than the stuff around it. Yeah, they paint this greenish to color match. I might as well. Yeah, okay, they also paint these slightly darker. Because there's no consistency on what color the cheeks are supposed to be. like half the time they'll paint these, like in the anime, it's just all white all across there, and sometimes it's very slightly darker on the cheeks. Sometimes the faceplate's slightly darker in some shots. There's just no consistency at all. Oh, these are water slides? That probably should have been obvious given the color of the paint. Whatever. If I had some setter, I would just use these, because honestly it would just, you know, sink right in instead of just sitting on top. Anyway, I'll get all this put back away and then I'll do a group shot. Give me a second. Alright, maybe a slightly underwhelming group shot this time, but it gets the point across. I have been very excited for this order for the past week or so. I might not really come across like that. I'm a little low energy today, I'm sorry. But man, I am very, very happy to have these kits. Especially Leisner. I am ecstatic to have Leisner. But anyway, let me know your thoughts down in the comments. Give the video a like if you enjoyed it, helps a lot. Subscribe so you're alerted when I get around to reviewing these. Follow me on Twitter so you can see work in progress and whatever memes I end up posting. And, as always, until next time, happy building.